Now here's question 2. This question 2 strictly focuses on the nature of the roots. This is quadratic equations theory, right? Finding a solution or doing an analysis on the quadratic equation and determining the nature of the roots without having to solve the equation. So we are given 2.1 f of x as 2x squared plus x plus 6. The first question, we are given or told to determine the numerical value of the discriminant. The numerical value of the discriminant. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So this is basically what you find under the square root in the quadratic equation, right? So we need to take out the ABCs. The ABC. So the A value is 2. This value, it's 2. And then B is equal to 1. And then C is equal to 6. It's important that you have your equation set out in standard form. Alright, then we substitute and work out the discriminant. So discriminant, what is B? That's 1. Squared minus 4, what is A? That's 2. C, that is 6, equal to, then what is 1 squared? It's definitely going to be a negative value. 2 times 6, 426. Okay, it's negative 47. We're going to have non-real solutions for that one. Hence, describe the nature of the roots. The nature of the roots. Okay, as mentioned, it's going to be what? It's going to be non-real, or complex, So 2.1.2, that's non-real, which the solutions are gonna be imaginary and unequal. Imaginary and unequal. Then for the last question, 2.2, determine the numerical value of t for which the equation will have non-real roots without solving the equation. In order for your equation, let me just start off by writing the entire equation as it is. I'm just copying it down and then just highlighting the ABCs. A, it's gonna be minus 1, and then B, that's gonna be 3, and then C, it's gonna be 2C. So C, it's gonna be 2C, right? So the T there, it's not a variable. It's a constant. It goes with the 2. Okay, so we have our ABCs. Now, in order for the nature of the roots to be non-real, it means that the discriminant must be less than 0. Okay, it must be less than 0, just like we discovered above. Okay, so we need to calculate the discriminant for this equation. Right, so the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac less than 0, not equal to. So b, it's gonna be 3 squared minus 4, what is a? That's minus 1, and then c, that's 2t, less than 0. Then we simplify, it's 9, that's gonna be a plus, negative times a negative, it's a positive. 4 times 1 times 2, that's 8t, less than 0. Then we have 8t less than 0. Okay, wait, the 9 we transpose, it's negative 9. Then we divide both sides by 8. These cancel, then t should be less than negative 9 over 8. So for any t value that is less than negative 9 over 8, it means that the equation will have no real roots. This is a common type of equation where the discriminant becomes an inequality tool, right? So in technical context, like control systems or signal processing, if you are into electrical if you are doing something electrical engineering related, you know what I'm talking about. So this helps when knowing if a system has non-real solutions can be critical for stability analysis in such instances. Okay, so I'm just giving some context as to how the nature of the roots or how the nature of the roots are useful in the real world. Okay, so that's our question 2. Let's go to question 3.